Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel, and on this panel you should see a bunch of icons. One of them should look like the moon icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. Basically it gets highlighted in the color blue. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And on the watch face you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the control panel, tap on the icon again, it will go back to the gray color, and once you press the crown button, go back to watch face, the icon will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So let's open the controls panel, tap on the settings icon, here scroll down, find the option called preferences, and tap on it, and here select Do Not Disturb. And right here we can enable and disable the mode by tapping on the switch next to Do Not Disturb, but we can also set up a schedule for it, basically make a schedule when the Do Not Disturb mode should enable automatically or turn on automatically and turn off automatically. So tap on Auto Enable, scroll down, select Scheduled, tap on this arrow right here, and here we can set the start time, basically the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on, and you can swipe up and down on the hours, then minutes, and then AM and PM. Once you set the time, tap Next, set the end time, basically the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should turn off, and once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm, and we have a schedule now. And once you create a schedule, basically your Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at certain time and turning off automatically at certain time. And the last option we have right here is Smart DND. And what this option does is basically if you're wearing your watch and it detects that you went to sleep, it will turn on the Do Not Disturb mode automatically, and when you wake up it will turn it off. And you can basically select it by tapping on it. Like that. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.